Good morning, everybody. Today is my birthday, 80th birthday. In this connection, I am releasing my 22nd chapter of Fitness Yoga. Practically, I have learned Yogasana 40 years back from Master Yoga Praveen H.S. Arun. And he is a very eminent personality in yoga, and he is still teaching in Jayanagar, Bangalore, and he is an international instructor. His website details are given below. And our fitness yoga program is meant for basically basic yogasanas for only fitness. Further, anybody wanted to learn yogasana in deeper, you can contact Master H.S. Arun, Yoga Praveen. Thank you. Now I am going to show you some warming up exercises when you get up in the morning. Sleep like this, happily. Hold your leg 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it down. Left leg 1, 2, 3, 4. Double leg 1, 2. Fold it 1, 2. Again hook it 1, 2. This much enough. Front side. Now I am going to show you warming up exercises. Sleeping sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is front back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertical. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to show you warming up exercise sitting in the chair for senior citizens. First, relax yourself comfortably. First walking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then go back. Sit comfortably. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then double leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. In step 1, 2, 3, 4. Out step 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circulars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Extension. 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 Then sit like this. Down. Today I am going to show you standing warming up for senior citizens. All these exercises you need not have to do with so much of stress. You have to do very lightly. First is hand rotation. Right hand, left hand keep it here. Right hand rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now double hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next come shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Variation shoulder. Sit your hand. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder is over. Now you have to do shoulder blade. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Midsection. 1, 2, 3, 4. Variation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next side raise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now front raise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel raise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel raise. Fold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hands on hip. Put your head down. Neck rotation. 1. Reverse. Again reverse. Again reverse. Put your head on right side stretch. Left stretch. Right stretch. Left stretch. Up stretch. Down stretch. Up stretch. Down stretch. Now eye rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side stretch. 1. Left, right, left. Up, down, up, down. Diagonal up, right, left, right, left. Diagonal down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again eye rotation one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hip twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am going to show you some of the basic warming up exercises for doing asanas, sitting asanas for senior citizens. Lot of senior citizens who have not worked earlier, all of a sudden when they wanted to do exercise, they should not sit down and try to do asanas, thereby they damage. One thing is definite, any asanas or any exercises, you do slow and steady according to the possibility. Don't strain and damage yourself. Suppose somebody wanted to stretch, like for an old man, I am 80, like this 50, 60, 70, don't bother to stretch fully. This is enough. You stand here, just bend. Put your hand, relax yourself. Enough. If you want to bend, put it here. Relax. If you bend, bend. You sit here. All joints, 16 joints. Lower part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 joints should be operative. Again sit here. Bend here. Come back here. Again put it here. Stand here. Bend forward. Again put it here. Sit down. Again put it here. Sit down. This is the first exercise related to Upavishta Konasana. Then second, Baddha Konasana. Sit here. Comfortably. Little more side. Comfortably. Relax. There is no point in urgently doing. Then both legs together. Sit here. Sit here. Come back. Sit here. Come back. Then sit here. Sukhasana. Little more. Come. Sukhasana. Little more. This Vayasana, preparation for Vayasanas. Now, how to do hip twist? Put your leg like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Twist it here. Put your leg, twist it here. Come back. Enough. Again here. Twist it here. Twist it here. Twist it here. Twist it here. Automatically you can get here. Twist it here. Automatically twist here. Bend forward. Touch it. Come. Step by step. There is no urgent. We have to do this, we have to do this, we have to do this. Relax yourself. Slowly make yourself body loose. Automatically. Suppose height is the elevation, put your leg here. Sit here comfortably. Twist here. Oh. Come. Twist here, come. Bend forward. Bend forward. Bend forward. Here. Bend forward. Bend forward. Catch it here. Bend forward. Here. Twist it here. Twist it here. This much is enough for serious citizens. Good morning. Today I am going to show you kicking technique to strengthen the hip. Whatever physical fitness exercise or yoga, whatever you do it, if your hip is not strong, and you will not have good health. That is why earlier one of my students has shown you stretching, kicking, leg raises. Now somebody is not healthy, not in a position to stand and kick. You can do the same kicking technique in sleeping. That I am going to show you. Now first thing is when you are sleeping here, just fold your leg to, then here, put that. Here. This one, again left. Toe, hip. These are the kicks most important for strengthening the hip. Now, when you are doing like this, you sit here. This is how you have to kick with when you are sleeping again. When you are doing again left leg, flip this side, again here. This is how you have to sleep. Then afterwards, you have to sit down here.
Yes.
Here, put it like this. Fold it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.